Mama wakwaba wafreme ajoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news.
Now was Antini what's na ho? Yami yusu. Was Antini what's na ho? Emma Fantini free nukrom. Eba set confusion in your who was Antini ukrom. What now, my Fantini to Samia, a Jan Central Regina Baumia Bono or no any chrome. Ababe Catcher will say, I'm afraid ya Santia sum dieno, young Titan because, or be fair, won't me a cocase. But Yami baby Samo. And my message to NAPO still remains the same. Matthew Poku Prempe. Chairman NAPO. Some of us we sit here where you man kwana ye count. Some of us we sit here where you man kwana ye count. Sometimes soon Crawford that me and say, oh, do you know Nana? He did this to me, he did that to me. Go and talk about it. We will give you money. But because I know what I'm following, we don't give heed to that. Utie. Chai de awo. Mr. Napo, doctor, you are too big for tribal foolery. Utie. Matthew Opoku Prempe Napo, somebody we love the political zone. Keep your house in order. Let there be peace. Kennedy is not the antidote for you. Kennedy don't want nothing good for the party you want to be a vice president for. Let me keep it clear. And we cannot take a vice president who will listen to hearsay and cause commotion in their own region. Into finance, yeah, campaign amount several vice. But say, "Umba sa dear way, Uma Kennedy way, you sue." And the consume mayhem, all because I'm up say, mess the fortunes, like mess up the fortune. Napo, what Kennedy is doing to let us mess the fortune because won't me wait it out for whether Napo you like it or not. Whether you like it or not, won't to me is a force to reckon with. And whether won't to me likes it or not, Napo is a force to reckon with. And this year, to me, some conform you way come with Tibomoa. It for men, or any and people in the lose. Mama when in see so I mean who wound to me. So be a mama das and my more wound to me is part of the people. Maybe Jinan and then conform me and say be and then yarding into no more baby cuckoo dear cuckoo. Munshem who ye and ya dear bebo. Anyways, minimum we. Me patro me chill be oh yeah, oh dear, Munda Napo, Uncle Di Kennedy achi. Napo no Munyano, no Uncle Di Kennedy achi. And come on, the Kennedy Edina, Kennedy Baba Bekenini na, or Palma Kennedy Boomfune, and come on in Edina, Kennedy Baba Betin, or Baba Betin the toe. And upon one to now, on find the two margin on when they say, it is all done, it is all done. We shall see. Obi say, I understand it has been authorized by the team for that the chiefs who summon wound to me to the palace must immediately cease fire. Well, that will help them. Utie, that will help them. That will help them. Because you don't push away wound to me, all because of Kennedy and Japan, all because of certain people. You don't do that. Oh, yes, sir. Mon tape no some radio tape my. Obi say, and Napo say, aha in the kingdom. Are you going to compare party kingdomship to a whole of mine? Me say Asante, me I don't call it Asante your mine. Oh, Asante phone a munimono. Asante your mine. Good ye. Yana nanom koye gidi ebe sign abrofo sign ye no sikejo kofi an sign bi yes sign slavery yes sign colonization no asante mind ye ne ye nka ho ntimo ntina ho na wo mo kwakwahwe apa bi meka nkire wo emdada wo asanteni na kotie na mo fan sign mu region mo fan sign ni amapa nyame pese oye wo napo we are positioning you at a place whereby opportunity nearby we can push you there. Your position where it is close. Na ebra no so ya yetumi apagya wo de wahye ho. Ukọ akodi Canada Japan echi di ahwere wade. Ukodi Canada Japan echi e de affect confusion ama manhia ne wuntumi. Some of us will talk about it. If I love you, Napo, if I sit here and I praise you, if I sit here and say all the good things about you, and I'm not able to tell you, say you are goofing, so stop the foolery. I have lied to you. I'm fake. I'm fake. And nothing on my body is fake. Everything is real. And so everything that comes out of me will forever be real. Put your house in order. Nobody is telling you not to be friends with a lunatic. If you think being a friend with a lunatic is good, keep him as your friend. But don't let him spoil your fortunes. Or no, was saying the whole political ambition was saying it would be a person or demon. If I'm going out, then I'm going out with everybody. That is his role. Nti the man ho kwan na ye afafranto join this Kennedy nkambom na sebe omunto time fantum to na wo de omun use as the spearhead for that. Okay, also he didn't hit to their script, so they were annoyed with him. Yes, I don't even know which script and whatnot, but there we need to be careful. All right. And then me by I said I'm a topic ne kano. Mama fa topic ne nto na ihu me mo bibia akwa at the political zone so. Oba na washare na page na etumi akọ nanim. And yes say Julius Malema disgraces Mahama or John Mahama. Omini na say JMO. Julius Malema, John Mahama. Yo, at here for dia ekosie ne se eye NDC for akofre dance asan aboka biu na debia no me betna ya meka kire mu se NDC eye party bi asebe mekwasi apia nya ade a kese be makonopo na makom because just like John Domelo said no, they don't want intellectuals, they don't see the importance of no say unimu ade no omuhu the importance of it ade na make sa enkrofo we ti asem a ye hwehwem na ye dimirika na ye de koye propaganda na oma yes our life way ama na bua form so several times so about share page wherever you are share the page 2017 getting to 2018 and that's even it's the beginning of 2018 abai be na to me equipo sebe ye fire service away department than this nanado danko ekufuado government